Looking to improve your cum count, science says to eat more carrots. They've long been recommended for male infertility in traditional medicine. So, chop it into blendable pieces, wash it well, peel off the bark if necessary, and chop it into blendable pieces to aid your blender to blend it easily and well. And once you've gotten your carrots ready, let's put it inside the blender and blend it. Keep watching because we still have the second and the third ingredient. So you add enough water and blend. I have a reason for saying enough water. So once you're done blending, the next thing is to sieve out the chaff and get the juice. So we need the juice. Press it out and set it aside. Now the second ingredient is tiger nuts. So tiger nuts may act as an aphrodisiac. Tiger nuts have a history of being used to boost snacking appetite. Men in Nigeria have used tiger nuts for generations to treat ED, increase cum count, and boost snacking appetite. So we go ahead to put it inside the blender. But before you do this, if it is dry tiger nut that you bought, make sure you soak it. I soaked mine for about 2 days. I keep changing the water like daily. And then on the last day, I washed it up to 4 times to make sure that it is neat. Soaking it, if it's a dry tiger nut, to help it to soften off. Because this thing can damage your blender, especially if it is not industrial. Whether it's industrial or not, you need to be, mild with your blender. So this is why I said you should add enough water to the carrot so that you use it to blend the tiger nut. And the last one is dates. So eating dates will promote cum quality and quantity. Okay, it is a natural aphrodisiac. So we use the juice to blend it and we don't need to sieve it. This is the final juice. It's so good, it's so sweet. Don't add too much dates. Take this daily. Bye.